Greetings from Söderbysjön and this nude beach spot in the beautiful nature of Nacka. It is 13th of June 2026, Saturday, and currently just 9:40 a.m. And I am very early on a beach adventure today because it's going to be cloudy for the rest of the day, and I also have some things to do later that are scheduled for me. My squad car bike got me here 8 kilometers 21 minutes, quite nice ride. And this early it is very sunny here on this very spot right here, and we have 18 degrees Celsius in the air, and I just measured in the lake, it is 20 degrees Celsius, and it is quite cozy with this type of view here. And it's time for another nude beach adventure with Kris, indeed, in the most beautiful nature here. Isn't this amazing with this lotus, or how are they called in English actually? I'm not sure. But this is my beach spot for today, and I'm going to swim here for some time. Now, yesterday I didn't manage to swim 30 minutes at once. I only managed to do 3 times 15 minutes, but still, it's one of the longest swims in total. Yesterday, that is, in Flatten. Yes, so the beach adventures continue, and today's beach day number 60 on my Sweden beach adventures. And you can see my hair is still growing, and I should probably go to the hairdresser soon, or the barber, as they say. Very peaceful nature today indeed, and it's gonna be amazing to go for a longer swim here in the lake Söderbysjön. So let's get going and enjoy a nice dip and swim here today. It's so amazing to start the day so early, the Saturday. It gives a lot of energy for the day indeed. Especially when the nature looks like this, even though it is windy. And I think I was there, not I think, but I was there like a few days ago as well on the other end, which is much more peaceful as less people come to that end. But here it is still amazing indeed. Okay, let's see. I may need to go around a bit to get into the water. It's much more convenient on this end. It's quite slippery indeed. Lots of big rocks here at the entrance. I just love this peaceful nature sounds that you can hear from the birds and the wind and the trees. It's so amazing. All right, then Kris is ready for the dip at Söderbysjön. Let's go! Amazing. Amazing. What a wonderful way to start the day. Indeed. In perfect, beautiful Swedish nature out on the lake and soaking up the sun while it lasts, as the clouds are incoming any minute. So yes, It's amazing. Mhm. And thank you so much for following my beach adventures and also watching my shorts as well from Eurovision and music slash fun related. It's time for Kris to enjoy with a longer swim. So thank you so much for watching and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach adventures